A fold-away Murphy pantry turns unused wall space into hidden storage that keeps kitchens tidy without sacrificing style. Design the vertical fold-up pantry cabinet so it closes flush against the wall and reads like paneling by using a slim face frame and piano hinge with soft close hardware. Dimension the interior with narrow full-height shelves, spaced for canned goods and adjustable shelves for taller appliances, and secure heavier items low near studs using cleats or a French cleat system to transfer load to the structure. For a pull-down pantry door with shelves, install gas struts sized to the door weight and balance the shelf spacing so each shelf drops level when opened, and add magnetic catches to hold the door closed. Label shelf edges so you can find items quickly and mount a shallow tray at hand height for daily use. A folding pantry that converts to wall art needs a lightweight core panel faced with the same finish as adjacent millwork and hidden pivots that allow the panel to open in sections. Design the open configuration to cantilever slightly so you can access both front and rear of shelves without twisting. Integrate spice and lid organizers by installing narrow pull-out trays and vertical slotted racks for lids and cutting boards, and use low-profile baskets on slides for small packets. Include built-in lighting with motion sensors and low-voltage LED strips tucked under shelves, plus a grounded outlet on a switch circuit so you can plug in a mixer without running an extension cord. 3 common mistakes are overloading the moving panel so it becomes hard to open, using heavy fixed shelves without adequate support, and poor clearance planning that blocks adjacent doors or traffic when open. If the panel is too heavy, change to a lighter core and upgrade to stronger soft close hardware or gas struts rated for the actual door weight, and redistribute stored weight toward the bottom. For kitchens with weak wall attachment, ensure you find studs or add a plywood backer behind the pantry and use structural screws and cleats to carry load into the framing rather than just drywall. If you forget to allow clearance for adjacent doors or appliances, mock up the full open profile with cardboard and walk the flow path. Then, adjust hinge placement or reduce door swing so the pantry does not interfere with daily use. We operate BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for projects like fold-away Murphy pantries and other space-saving solutions. And we also help contractors find work by connecting them with homeowners actively planning projects. Our site includes a discussion community where professionals and homeowners share tips, ask questions, and post photos so you can learn from real projects and get practical advice.